Brand new equipment. I was hoping to fire this up, but looks like I'll be fixing it before I fire it up, which is the norm right now. Got a leak now, right there. You can see it. See that right there? This is leaking. And then this was leaking as well. So I tightened this up, no big deal. Now I'm gonna fix this and hope there's no more leaks. This right here is the manufacturer, and this is the model serial number. Take a look. Brand new. This is happening a lot, and it's sad, because all it takes is somebody to spend a little extra time, put some nitrogen on it, check it, and then I don't have to deal with this in the field. No big deal. I'm a professional. I'll take care of it. But if you want me to manufacture the products, I can start doing that too, because it's not that hard. And it continues to get worse. Look at this. So I got my leak fixed. Yay, we're good to go. I've got nitrogen on this. But then I noticed my compressor plug. The wiring harness with the plug, look at it. It's not even plugged in. I wonder, let me just see here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Not even plugged in. Dude, I'm scared to start this thing. This is not good. Let me show you how to plug this in so that you'll know, manufacturers. That's how you plug it in. You give it some good, give it some good pushing. That's what it's supposed to look like right there. I am afraid to turn this thing on, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out what happens. Let me just say a little more on this. Maybe when I get equipment in from now on, maybe I should just take it all apart and rebuild it. Maybe that's what I should do. Because when I get stuff like this in, then it just makes me want to not install it, because I know I'm going to have problems with it. That's what it puts in your mind. It puts that, well, we had 2 leak areas. I guarantee you there's something not wired right. I guarantee you that there's something going to go wrong. Maybe they've used cheap motors too. And this is what's sad about our industry. In a time where you can't get parts, where you having to wait longer times because people aren't showing up to work anymore. And maybe that's what it is. You got somebody that it was a 2-person job, but now it's a 1-person job. So now they're understaffed and this, but there's really no excuse, because I have to install this. Somebody's paying good money for this and they want it to work properly. I just can't believe this, because honestly, if I did this kind of stuff every day, I would be out of business. I'm going to fix the crappy product and then I'm going to put it in, because I want this job to be done today. But if I had 10 of these, what do you do when they send them all back? What do? You lose that money out of pocket. I've already opened this shell up and welded the line sets into the unit. This is something manufacturers need to think about, and this is why I'm doing this video. So, sad. I'm Tad. Usually it's tips for technicians. Right now it's tips for manufacturers. I usually say, remember, I'll keep you cool if you let me. But right now it's remember, manufacturers, if you do not get some quality assurance and make sure that your equipment is tested before it leaves the factory, then remember, I will start manufacturing your equipment for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. As always, thank you so much to my subscribers, my viewers, and my members. You're awesome.